try to keep this place clean as possible, and also bacteria free. So sanitize everything. I mean, it's a car shop, so everything we deal with, especially the ECUs that people send in, and everything is pretty dirty. But do what I can do to make it clean as possible. So this place is done, vacuumed everything. My office is done. A lot of brake cleaners just came in today, all nice and vacuumed and cleaned. The front desk area, bathroom, everything's cleaned. And I'm gonna actually go to the shop area and get something organized and cleaned. We're expecting blizzard tonight, so people are all freaking out, going home and all that, but we love snow, so we've been expecting something. Let me see what I could do with my Santa Fe. So we're still working on this rear caliper setup. All right. Be careful out there, guys. So I'm pretty sure you guys seen all this weather conditions that we got over here East Coast. I'm pretty sure you've seen like all these snows and on Facebook, and people like posting how much snow they got and how much they have to shovel. This is what it looks like. Honestly, no biggie. Compared to what I used to have up in Canada, maybe this is just normal. But people freak out, and that's actually the thing. One thing, people just can't drive it. They still take their car out, whatever the reason. They have to go to work, whatever, and people get stuck and cause of traffic. And it was this morning. But anyway, everything's pretty much closed, shut down, whatever. And no, I didn't have to drive my son to school or whatever. But I still went to work out, and just going to the shop right now. So this is the entrance to our shop look like. I'm gonna just go in the back, see if I could just kind of throw it around a little bit. And look at all these these cars all inside. That place sucks. Oh man, there's a car actually right. Can't even see. It's pretty dumb. Whoever parked there. Yeah. So some businesses are not even in. I should have brought my shovel. All right. So it's Saturday morning at 6:30 or 40. Just leaving the house. Not going anywhere. But I'm pretty much up. I always wake up like 5:50, about 6 o'clock, get ready and everything, checking emails and all that stuff. So I'm up already, ready for today, and basically just gonna go work out for a bit. Get to the shop by like 8:30-ish, and we actually have 2 custom tunes today. One, just getting the custom tune done on Veloster. The other one, we need to do some installations here and there, and a custom tune. So it's pretty chilly out, about 20 degrees outside, but hopefully later it's a little better. I mean, just physically, I don't like doing the dynos like colder days. Nothing hard on the dyno or anything, but just being cold inside the shop, and also had the gate wide open and working on the cars is just like cold, so. But anyhow, yeah, this is what I do. Saturday morning, first thing I just wake up and go work out, even if I don't have to come out. But for some reason, during the winter time, a lot of people like the Saturday hours. So we're actually fully booked till the end of February already. March, I'm already in talk with a few guys. So during the week it kind of slows down, and I mean it's kind of working out for us because Aaron, he goes to school during the week now, and comes in Friday and I just like to give him more hours, so Saturday if he likes coming in. So we're already booked, and also we're going to Houston, Texas. I already bought the plane tickets and everything yesterday. And we only have a spot for custom tune, one spot, and some bunch of canters. Canters we can do anytime. So if you guys are watching this and interested, it's gonna be at Houston, 20th and 21st, but most likely the canter is gonna be done 19th at night, 20th when we're doing a custom tune in between, and 21st we're gonna fly back in. So I'm back in the office, back with family. Aaron's back into class on Monday, so just gonna start the day. So got in the office, settle, pull the cars out, and the customer already dropped off the intake manifold, spacer, pulleys. So that's what we're about to install. So as the coil radiator, and also just gotta do a transmission cooler. I see he was Snapchatting or like, oh yeah, working hard or something, yeah, and like, yeah.
I feel like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Starting the day really hard or something, and nice lines that's hooked up to stock radiator. We might have to modify some.
Can I put that?
No, that's just too much. See, no name calling,
Okay.
Come on, bro.
But I want to say it.
Yeah, but I'm vlogging. Shut up. All right.
I'm vlogging.
Yeah, we could do that. Like, see, just say it.
Fuck.
But that not on your Instagram.
Well, this is like
your personal one.
No, I put it as the SFR one.
Yeah.
My size.
Can't do that. So anyhow, we're gonna take out the front bumper. Obviously, bleed out the coolant, and replace the coolant. And meanwhile, we're just gonna install the transmission cooler and the spacer. So that's been off before. That doesn't come off like that.
What came off this?
It's easy to come out, but And another test I had to do today is weld Aaron's glasses. If you watch our vlog back in California, he was so excited to do a go-karting when we were at the K1 speed, which we ended up not doing it because 2 hours of wait time, and we didn't have time. So I just had to, I don't know, if I fail, I fail. What could be the worst case, That thing doesn't work anymore.
Worst case scenario, Aaron drives all the way to West Virginia blind as fuck.
That's true. All right, so after Aaron can't even get up there. This is funny. Yeah, so I really didn't have time to film it. So what happened was the Veloster Turbo that was supposed to get the custom tune. We got the car on the dyno and everything, and did the first pass and made a change, and we noticed some type of leak coming from the either the ball valve or some along those lines. So we decided to just do it at another time, get it all fixed up, because I don't want to give him the tune and get it tuned, and then next thing you know, he changes the ball valve, he overboosts, and we don't want some type of problems like that. So I was already exhausted at that point, pretty much burned my time. Just offer the customer just the dyno fee, and I won't charge him next time he comes in. So he has nothing to do, really, nothing to lose, I mean. And we pretty much burned this morning time. But anyhow, on the side, so the car's been dropped off. This 3.8 Genesis Coupe. Aaron worked on it and put the coil radiator, nice, really nice piece here, and put a intake manifold spacer. It was missing the factory gasket because you need 2 layers, and the spacers in between. So we just put the silicone instead after confirming with the customer. And the pulleys he brought in. I wasn't really the fan of being it's just being anything from 10 to 13 plus, and then we actually went side by side with the pulleys, and there's a diameter difference. So I wasn't really a fan of like off balancing, and Aaron felt the same. So basically we just kind of didn't do that one. And now we have the transmission cooler, because the automatic comes with the transmission cooler line hooked up internally with the factory radiator. So since you're removing, and these are only made for the manual transmission, we just hooked up the aftermarket transmission cooler line, obviously to the front, so everything goes through and it cools it down. And from our experience, the car shifts much better, less. I mean, it's smoother, less bouncy. That feeling that when you're shifting, it makes it a lot smoother. So nice and clean install. Nothing crazy or fancy, just nice lines just going through. And once we put the bumper on, you could barely see that too, but it's gonna be efficient, like right in the front. So we're just waiting on the silicone to dry out, and meanwhile I just pour some coolant and bleed it out later, and then it's gonna be ready to go, jump on the dyno and do a custom tune. So we're about done. The customer came back, and the easy part, just to custom tune the car and make sure everything's good. Aaron's all set up, ready to leave. His glasses are all fixed. I fixed it today, but it's missing some pieces here. You see here. Yeah. Let me see your glasses. It works. Yeah, glasses work, but he's still dumb. Doing the dyno, doing pulls, and this GPS is bugging out. Oh, the car's supposed to be really good. It's doing 70 miles per hour. All doing it. Just bugged out. So this is all after said and done. The transmission cooler is really hidden, so you can't really see it till you go up close. You'll get the efficiency with all the ducts, factory ducts, all the cold air, and all the lines are hidden. Nice and clean install. And I'll probably have another pull on this car, but apparently it's already making 20 horsepower more on top of the Canton. Canton, it converted about a little over 300 at the wheels already, so pretty good. Oh yeah, so how was the test drive after the dyno?
Test drive was fantastic. Jay made some great power on the dyno. We made more than we expected. Probably averaging about 23 horsepower over the Canton. It was wonderful. He did a great job with the custom mount for the Koyo radiator, and the transmission cooler is keeping everything nice and tight.
Oh, nice. So the drive was nice and smooth?
Oh, it was nice and smooth. The shifts were really smooth. Everything was fantastic, and I felt more pull through every gear. It was wonderful.
Cool, man. Yeah. Thanks for coming over.
Yeah, man. Thanks for the help.
Thank you. All right, so everything's said and done. Double check the car underneath, no leak, nothing. After test drive, the customer's happy, and he's going back to Maryland, driving back. So it's like 7 o'clock. See you guys. Yeah, nice car, clean. Still snow here. See, that's what I was waiting for. 500 miles?
Yep, 492 miles. All for SFR, bro.
Yeah, for you.
It's gonna be interesting.
Yeah, something project. We're picking up some project here. All right, man. Drive safe.
All right, bro.
See you, bro. All right, trailer. Next vlog.